Hey guys, today we're doing the steak, egg, and mushroom pita wrap. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna saute some mushrooms in about 1 or 2 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna saute these for maybe a couple minutes maximum. I'm gonna add some minced garlic to these mushrooms just for a little added flavor. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this garlic in here. Saute that garlic into there for a minute or two. Next thing I did was I cut up some steak kebabs from last night. I'm gonna reheat these in another tablespoon of butter. So I sliced those pieces of kebab in half just so I can get a nice charred crust on both sides. I'm gonna cook these pieces for a couple minutes on high heat just to try to caramelize, give a little crunch to the outside of the beef. And take those off the heat, and next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add another tablespoon of butter, and then we're gonna fry 2 eggs. You can do whatever level of doneness you like. You could go to over easy, I liked mine from over easy to over hard. So yeah, I'm gonna cook these on there for another couple minutes, then take those off the heat. And finally, I turned off the burner, but I took most of the butter out of the pan. But I'm gonna take a piece of pita, put it in there on the still hot pan to toast that. Then I'm gonna add my components, my eggs, my steak. I'm gonna put my mushrooms on the top, and if you like, you could put more salt on or pepper on that, however you like it. And finally, I'm gonna wrap these components up in the pita. You can garnish this. You can garnish it with a little green onion. I wanted to use cilantro from my banh mi from 2 nights ago, but I was all out. But yep, there we go. There's the steak, egg, and mushroom pita. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.